So here are the twin homes in Hurricane. This one's just getting framed up. I'll do a little 360 for you here. Let's walk through one. So basically what you could do is pick out your lot and then have them just construct two for you. This is obviously the garage. Got a nice plank on the floor, it looks good. Laundry room's gonna be here. This is the great room. Open concept into the kitchen. The dining area over here. This is a walk-in pantry. And you get some views. You know, I'm sure they're gonna do a block wall there, but pretty awesome views. Okay. This is the front door. So I'll give you that entryway. Look, some can lights up there. And heading this way. We have a closet here. And then we have bedroom 2. I'm sorry, bedroom 1. This is the second. This is another little storage closet here. And this is the master. This is your master closet. No, I'm sorry, this is your bathroom. Okay, commode will go there. Here's the shower. And here's your master closet. Marked with a C. Okay, there's an exterior door here as well, which is nice. And that just about does it. Oh, this is your spare. This is bathroom number 2. Okay? So to build 2 of these, I'll get you some prices. I gotta talk to the developer to see what they got going on. If you do purchase 2, I'm sure they would discount the purchase. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's go over here.